Hey, Mike with CoachMikeMcDonald.com here. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how you can build an automated scaling machine to grow your cleaning business more effectively. So let's get into it. Now, the dream for every cleaning business owner is to have a business that grows while you sleep. But let's be real, for most of you, growth typically means more phone calls at dinner, more scheduling headaches, and fires to put out all over your business. And it's not really the dream business you had in mind. You see, the key difference between a job that you own and building a scalable asset is your automated tech stack. And so in today's video, we'll be diving into how you can move past the hustle and the daily grind of building your business into developing an automated scaling machine. And so I'm going to dive into how you can use AI tools and systems to scale your business, to handle leads, your content development, and building high-tech outreach so you can finally step out of the day-to-day operations and see your business thrive. And so the first thing that you want to develop is an automated AI-powered lead nurture system. You see, most cleaning businesses have a leaky funnel where they spend money on ads, getting clicks and traffic to their website. You get the calls, you get the messages, and then those people just wait around and end up falling through the cracks. You see, in the cleaning business industry, the 5-minute rule and fast response time is really the key to success in closing your leads, where if you don't have a fast response time, your conversion rate is going to plummet. And see, one strategy to help streamline this follow-up process is to build out AI agents and automated sequences. And so it's crazy that at this point, you can actually build out AI agents to handle an initial discovery call and pre-qualify your cleaning leads as they come in. Or again, you can do this in a simple automated fashion through automated text messaging or automated emails as well. And so imagine this, instead of a lead coming in at 9 o'clock at night and going straight to voicemail and that person waiting around until the next day to get some type of response, instead an AI agent would answer that call, qualify the lead based on the square footage, their service needs, and send out a link directly to them to schedule an appointment. You could also do this in a more simple fashion through an email autoresponder, an automated text message system, chatbot on Facebook Messenger, various options like that as well. And the key is that the person reaching out for that estimate is going to respond immediately and actually lead in an automated fashion to scheduling an estimate with your company. And the best part is this can all happen while you sleep. On top of that, this isn't just reserved for leads that are brand new coming in. You can also do this with leads that never booked an appointment but expressed initial interest. You could also set up something like a "we miss you" type trigger, where if a client hasn't renewed their services in the past month, you could set up an automated sequence that sends out a customized text that said something like, "Hey Mike, it's been a month since our last visit and we want to grab a fresh start with you, so take advantage of this great discount if you book something this Friday." The purpose of this type of messaging is to pull people back in and re-engage them and get them using your product again. Another option could be an automated sequence set up around an incomplete booking trigger. And so, for example, maybe someone started to fill out the booking form and they didn't finish, or they got to the checkout page and didn't complete their payment. So you could send out an automated email or text message encouraging them to finish their booking and maybe even offer a special discount if they do. This strategy alone can be a great way to recover massive amounts of lost revenue that never happened. The great part about using this type of automation is that it can ensure a 100% response rate from your business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you don't have to rely on you being available to get the right message to the customer at the right time. Another great automation strategy is to tap into the power of before and after and showcasing the process you utilize throughout your cleaning business. And a great way to do this is to turn your cleaning process into time-lapse videos, as it's an extremely satisfying and engaging form of content to attract new people to your business. And so you can actually create short form videos that drive people into your funnel and provide a form of entertainment to attract people to your business. And so you can do cleaning videos that are time lapses of you cleaning various aspects of the home. It could be vacuuming, it could be cleaning windows, it could be trash removal, all kinds of different options. Plus, a lot of people enjoy the ASMR version of this, so just the sound of cleaning can be a relaxing way to engage people with your content. On top of that, it showcases your process, it shows real cleaners in action to build trust and credibility, and it showcases the thorough job that your cleaning business does. This is often far more powerful than a simple basic before and after photo. Plus, as you scale this type of content, it usually has very high engagement. And if you do enough of these, it can even monetize your channels where these types of videos are playing, meaning you get paid to share content that engages people to request estimates on the back end, which is extremely powerful. So systematize this process throughout your cleaning jobs to create an automated system that drives traffic to your business and website and generates leads on autopilot. Another important element of this strategy is that you can repurpose content and turn one long form piece of content that could be 10 to 20 minutes long and turn this into dozens of pieces of content to really scale up your efforts. And this can quickly turn one piece of video into months worth of content. On the topic of repurposing, you can also share this content on LinkedIn to accelerate further growth of your business. So certainly utilizing this strategy to attract house cleaning clients is powerful, but you can also share these on LinkedIn and combine this with a connection strategy of commercial business owners to scale into the commercial cleaning side of your business. So for example, you might reach out and connect with a variety of property managers, facility directors, and office admins as you expand your business over on LinkedIn, but share this same type of content to showcase you know what you're doing and build out that commercial cleaning side of your business and attract those types of customers on autopilot as well. And so a way to do this is actually filtering by job title over on LinkedIn, and you can search for things like property managers, facility directors, and office admins. In the search tab, filter by people, search within the city of your office or service area, and simply send outreach to connect with these people. Now, the key is to not be spammy and immediately pitch these people as you connect with them. So instead, just lead with a short intro message once they've connected with you. And you could say something like, hey, I definitely appreciate you connecting with me. I own XYZ cleaning company, and we help property managers in the area save on their cleaning bills and streamline that cleaning process. So if you'd ever be in the market to hear how that works, feel free to reach out. But either way, appreciate your connection. Again, in this scenario, you're just letting them know what you do, you're thanking them for connecting, and then you can let your content do the rest of the work from there that attracts people to come to you versus you hunting them down and being a pushy salesperson. So while automation doesn't necessarily replace your cleaners, it does help you empower yourself as a business owner to scale your business on autopilot and simplify the growth process of your business. I know this definitely just scratches the surface of all the different automation strategies you can tap into, but think about how you can use the current technology available to you to automate some of this process and scale your reach, as it can go a long way to help you attract more cleaning clients to your cleaning business on autopilot. But let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What automation strategies are you using? Have you tapped into AI yet to help you grow your cleaning business? Are you utilizing some of these content strategies as well? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button as it really helps out the channel. And if you were interested in getting more high quality cleaning leads for your cleaning business on autopilot, become a partner of ours as well. We'll have a link in the description below where you can learn more about how you can partner with our team to get exclusive high quality cleaning leads for your business in your service area. Again, if you'd like to learn more about that, check out the link in the description below this video. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you grow your cleaning business faster. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.